Our next practice program. So what we have to do here, we have to detect if the marks of student is given, and we have to print the grade of the student. Like if the student got the marks above 90, like 92, then we have to print distinction. If it's below 35 to 90, then we have to print passed, and if it's less than 35, then we have to print failed. Okay, so this is our if else. Here we have to use if else statement. What I have did here by these two slash, this is called commenting. So in C we have did the comment like double slash or slash star for the multi-line comments. Okay, so just this is for the understanding purpose. We can do it again and again so you understand what it means. Okay, so this does not affect anything to our code. Okay, now let's start. So what I am doing here, I am taking an input from the user, the marks of the student. So to that, do that, I am writing here integer marks for the student. Okay, and I am scanning that marks by asking the user to enter the marks of student, like enter the marks of student. Okay, so I am writing here colon. So I think here I misspelled distinction, so it's a distinction. Okay, and here, yeah, that's okay. So I'm printing enter the marks of student. Okay, so now user enters the marks. Now we have to scan that marks from the user. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I'm just writing here scanf, which scans the marks of the student and passing here address of marks. So marks contains after this line the marks of that student. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to check if the marks of the student is less than, is greater than or equal to 90, then I have to print it's a distinction. What it's distinction. Okay, for the student. So if student got the 92 marks, then we print distinction. If any marks above 90, then if statement check this condition. If marks like 95 is greater than equal to 90, yes, it's correct. This means this all line past 0 or 1. If its answer is 0, that means false. Then it this if not runs. If this statement gives true, then this if runs. Okay, so here one of the operator called double equal to, so that means it's an assignment operator. This about double equal to and the equal to, like marks equal to 10, both are different. So what it shows, it's an assignment operator. It shows that 10 is added inside the marks, and this shows marks and 90 are different. But if both are the different, then we have to return false. If both are the 90, then we have to return true. Okay, so this is the assignment operator and this is the logical operator. So logical operator is used to just check the logic 0 or 1. Logical things are works on 0 and 1 only. Okay, so all the computer is logical. So else we have to print, what we have to print, either passed or failed. We don't know, just we know that it's not greater than, just I have to make here greater, just we have to make that it's not greater than equal to 90. Okay, if it's after here we got that the marks are just less than equal to 90. So to detect if it's, I am writing here else if statement. Okay, so this is the else if statement. This means if is completed. Now we are coming in else part. Then again in this else part we have two conditions. So what are these conditions? Marks are greater than greater than equal to 35. If marks are greater than equal to 35, then we have to print passed. Okay, And finally, in the else, that means if the marks are less than 35, then we have to print failed. So this is a so simple program for the if else statement. So I am running the code. Run. So it prints, enters the marks of the student. So I am writing 95 and entering. So it prints the text distinction. Okay. So this is how actually we working on it. So this is just a basic program using how to use if and else if. You can do a multiple things like the student with less than 80, less than 70, multiple else if conditions you can add here. So just check in the comment what was the next practice program, and before watching the video just try yourself how to, how we can do this code, and then come here and solve the question. Watch the video. Okay, so that's it for today. We will make after for the next video. Okay, so that's it.